again. Yuck, just look at that filth. You need Clean Cut, the original super sharp, super strong multi-purpose scissors. Ultra tough to use all around the home. They're the ultimate multi-purpose 4-in-1 scissors. Cut meat and bone, descale fish, crack nuts, and open bottles. Best of all, Clean Cut separates for hygienic cleaning. Clean Cut comes with a magnetic holder, which means you can store it on your fridge or somewhere safe. So your Clean Cut scissors are always ready to go. They're super strong and ultra tough. You'll be able to use them all around the house for a multitude of chores. Make light work of tough tasks.
For entertaining family and friends. The KitchenAid Wine Cellars offers a stylish way to store your wines, so come party time, you can pull out all the stops. This 24-inch stainless steel unit is easy to install under your kitchen counter, and with 6 pull-out racks, it stores up to 46 wine bottles. Combine this unit with one of our beverage centers, and you gain space for an additional 16 bottles of wine, and plenty more room for hors d'oeuvres and other beverages on top. When you approach, the auto light interior LED lighting will illuminate to help you find items, and slowly dim after use. As your collection grows, never worry about preserving the flavor and integrity of your wines. The electronic touch interface gives you the precise control to create 2 separate temperature zones within each unit. Blending sleek design with advanced features, our wine cellar and beverage center form the finest pairing for any kitchen, any occasion. Now that's something to toast.
Mealtime is work time with cutting and cubing, slicing and dicing, and all that countertop clutter. But it doesn't have to be a chore. Introducing the 1-second slicer from JML, the amazing food preparation station that slices, dices, chops, minces, juliennes, and more, and then serves right in the container. Now we've made the best even better, faster, and easier with the all-new 1-second slicer. Now prep work is no work at all, and everything stores in one container that's smaller than a loaf of bread. Slice French fries in seconds, or turn 3 whole potatoes into a pile of shoestrings with ease. Amazing! Cut onions so fast there's no time for tears, and no smell on the hands. The stainless steel blades are razor sharp to precision slice deli meats, and cube thick chunks of cheese. Get the speed you need to make a family fruit salad in just 35 seconds. Pop on the V-slicer for speed slicing veggies, meats, and so much more. Or even shred a mountain of cabbage in a matter of seconds. Slice into the container, all right in the pan. The 1-second slicer comes with a cutting lid, slice and serve container, stainless steel cutting blade, the V-slicer, and the Giulietti curling slicer. Make your own